Not cold out today, but it's damp in here, so started a fire. Because this is what's going on outside. We haven't had a good rain like this for a while. So I think today's just going to be trying to get some of this crap cleaned up. I can see my table again. I moved the refrigerator. Took everything off that bench and then piled some more crap on it. Yeah, this is just a pile of truck parts that hopefully I'll be needing them soon. Still got 3 milk crates full of walnuts. Got this base over here cleaned out. It's that time of year to have room to sit around the fire. So I think now I'm gonna try and concentrate on all this. It's just been a trash corner for whatever reason. Bolt bin outside and just a bunch of different stuff keep out here. Get too much crap inside trying to find places for stuff. I decided the table had to go. Because if there's a flat surface anywhere around here, I will pile stuff on it. It's just how it's gonna go. That table just got crap piled on it. And the chickens was that they, for whatever reason, they thought it was a good spot to lay eggs. And you couldn't run them out of here and get them back in their pen. It's actually why I put this box up. Because of course, it's got a bunch of junk in it now, but I originally put that there thinking maybe they would lay in it, but they didn't. This is a good example of what I mean by a flat surface having crap on it. This. All this needs organized. I started doing it, I started labeling stuff, but just gave up on it. But this looks a lot better. Can walk through here now and I can get in to the furnace room. I can do this without losing fingers. Few pumpkins left. come scratch your butt. Let these chickens get out. You want some pumpkin? Get some hog feed on the way home. I get this feed locally. One of the reasons why I like it is because they make it right there on location. I'm getting it. Yeah, that's what it looks like. Done my part. My daughter does all the feeding. She'll do it all when she gets home. I'm in charge of the meat portion of supper tonight, so I'll show you what this stuff's for. I don't know how well the sun's going to cooperate with this, but I wanted to work on this project when I got home from work during the week, but I don't see that happening because you can see where the sun's at right now. Got maybe an hour and a half by the time I get home to work on stuff. But this tree, this cherry tree, the top blew out of it. I think I'm just gonna take it down, see what kind of boards I can get out of it. It's kind of got it's got some curves in it, but I'll be able to do something with it. I need to get some wood stockpiled back. Not real sure how it's going to work yet. I haven't actually been down there around it to see which way it looks like it's going to go. I'd like for it to come this way where I could reach it with the backhoe a little easier. And then the tops there's two pretty good sized top pieces that come out. I'll try and get them out of there so they can get used for firewood. This is really the best time of year to do this. The leaves are off, and this area in here it's pretty thick and hard to maneuver around in the spring and summer. I decided the chickens needed another pumpkin. Oh, split another one. Maybe. What are you doing, Rooster? Charles, as the kids calls him, Charles. Look at how much they picked on that one in the little bit of time it's been in here. There won't be nothing left of these but just an outer skin. They'll eat all the insides of it. This is a cherry tree. It's a small cherry tree that fell down. I just stick some pieces in here and it'll be enough to get a little bit of smoke going. I don't like a whole lot. I'm gonna put the chicken up here on the top rack, and I'm gonna put the wood down here, and I'll keep my temperature probably around 350 or so. Just kind of keep an eye on it, see how it goes. These style of grills are kind of hard to keep the temperature right where you want it. It'll be a little better since it's in here and not out in the wind. I did bring this out though. This is some good stuff. I like it, wife likes it, kids like it, and you know if the kids like it that it's got to be good because they're picky, especially when it comes to seasonings. But we're almost where I want to be. I got 4 with the bearded butchers on the left and 4 with lemon pepper on the right. I like the lemon pepper. Let them go and keep an eye on them. Yeah, we've been running about 375 all this time. The cherry wood's doing its job, and I temp checked this a minute ago and it's 170. It is done. Yeah, it's the chicken's done. You ain't getting none. I don't care how much you beg, I'm not sharing. No.